Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mitopedia. Before going ahead, if you guys are new to my channel then don't forget to click the subscribe button down and like and share this video.
Guys, this is the app that we are looking for, QC browser. In my case, I have already downloaded the app. You will have to install this app by clicking the install button. Once you install it, click on open. This is the QC browser app. The app is really fast. On the home page itself, QC browser has given shortcuts of different websites which are popular like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, Snapdeal and others. Using the shortcuts of website, we can easily navigate to these websites like I'll just click on Facebook. As you guys can see, it is really fast. Now let's open YouTube. So how fast it is. Also, the user experience while using is also really good. There is no lag whatsoever while using it. We can also click on the search bar on the top and we can search whatever we want, like I'll search for Goa. So how fast the QC browser app is. If we click on the three dash which is there on the bottom navigation bar, then we can see that the QC browser is offering QR and barcode scanner. Let's open and see how it works. As you guys can see, it shows the barcode number on the top. It shows web page not available because barcodes doesn't store any website. It stores the value that is there on the barcode. Similarly, if you scan any QR code, then it will show you the website address that that particular barcode has. Then the bottom navigation bar also provides option to share the app. Then we have desktop mode option. This means that you can open the desktop browser mode on this app. Then by clicking on history button over here, you can check all the history of your browsing on Google. Then you can also contact the app developers by clicking on contact us button. Similarly, you can clear the data by clicking on clear data button. Guys, the app is really fast as you guys can see. Guys, this QC browser app is really fast. I have given the download link in the description box below. Just click the link and download the app.
So guys, before ending this video, please click the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Thank you.